Alright, so today I'm gonna introduce you guys to somebody at least halfway special. She's alright, but yeah, been meaning to do this for the longest time, which is why my uploads have been backed up and slow, because I've been procrastinating making this video. We're at a pool right now. You better be glad this camera's about to die. Say hello to the vlog for the first official time.
Hey guys.
She's actually been in.
Oh my god, there's too many spiders in the water. I'm going home.
What the we came all the way here.
There are spiders in the water.
Well, let's do this first. She's been in like probably like 60 or 70% of all the videos I've made. But you just haven't seen her because she's been like in the background, or she's mad. Like if you don't have like a super duper eagle eye, then you probably wouldn't have noticed. But if like you really look really hard, you would see that. What are you looking at? You would see that she's been in like a couple of them. I'll just like, I don't know, play back the clips and I guess you'll see then. You know what I just realized?
What?
I didn't even tell them what your name was.
Oh.
Well, you tell them what your name is.
Is the camera on?
Yes, it's on.
Oh, hey, I'm Kayla.
You so lame. Look at that forehead, though.
Leave my forehead alone.
Lighting in here is horrible.
What you doing?
Who told you to put on my shoes?
Well, my shoes are still wet from the pool.
Sit down. We gotta talk. Alright. Rapid, quick fire questions. What's your favorite car?
The Kia Optima.
No! Wrong answer. Try again.
A BMW or an Audi.
More specifically?
Really doesn't matter. I don't have like a favorite one. I just like them.
Okay, well, we won't be building any of those on this channel. But what's your favorite obtainable car?
Either a FRS or...
Gang gang.
I always wanted a Scion TC.
Lame, that's not happening. Try again. FRS or... what other cars do you like?
The 350Z.
Oh, yeah, good one.
Or the 370.
Also a good one.
Babe, there's a cat.
What? I don't care. Okay, and so, yeah, one of those might be like, we might be building one of those on this channel one day, eventually, when you start making some money.
Wait a minute, I make some money, okay?
Oh, excuse me.
You only make like a couple of more dollars than me.
Not a couple, but you know.
A couple.
It's actually a lot. That ain't what this video is about. What's your future plans for like car stuff? This is a car channel, so we gotta talk about car stuff.
I would really like to build a FRS actually. I wouldn't mind having like a his and hers, but I want mine to look so much better than his.
What the fuck? Are you sick? Oh, we gotta have a talk.
Sorry.
Hold on. You can't do all black wheels. I mean all black on black wheels, because there's no contrast. You gotta have some
Okay, well maybe not the black wheels, but I need the windows tinted. I need a huge wang.
It ain't gonna be bigger than mine.
I need some lights. I need it all.
Are you gonna track it?
I don't know about that. Maybe a show car. Maybe.
Oh, so you want to do a show build?
Maybe.
You should probably stick to that, because if you crash your car, I can't help you. Ain't nothing I can do about that. Which you probably will, knowing you.
Oh yeah, and by the way, the car y'all always seeing, that's my car. That's not his car. That's my car.
Yeah, that's her car.
That gets us to and from Atlanta sometimes when he's going to all these.
Anytime you've ever seen me like not in that car or the truck, it's been that one. Her car. Which we got a few videos coming out working on it, by the way.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's always been that car. When I was filming, anytime I've ever filmed a roller except for Clean Culture, it was out of that car. Thanks, by the way.
That's the least you could do.
But yeah, so this is Kayla. She's gonna be a part of this. Oops. She's gonna be a part of this channel now. And we're gonna do car stuff because it's a car channel. Gang gang. What? We don't have any hard. Man, my face is dark in this camera. This lighting is horrible. Come over here. That's better. So we don't have any hard set plans that are actually 100%. Look at the lens.
You know I always do.
But we have a few ideas floating around. I'm working on getting another car, maybe a daily, maybe a truck, maybe something else. I don't know yet.
You don't really need nothing else.
You don't need another one either if that's the case.
But you know what? Whatever.
Oh my God. But we do have plans, you know, and it'll all be filmed and put up on YouTube for you guys to see, of course. But this is my girlfriend who I've been trying to introduce y'all to for like 4 months, which is why I'm so behind on videos, because I've been waiting to film this forever. But yeah, I finally got her out of the bed from in front of the TV to come do this with me real quick, so I can edit and upload this, and then I can start putting out all the videos that she's in. Because was I about to poke you in the eye?
Yes.
I did that on purpose. But yeah, so now the videos that she's in can be uploaded. They'll be out of order, but they're coming. So I know this was short and whatnot and sort of random, but get off me, nigga.
You can't say.
But
you can't say that. You gotta take that out.
Too late. I guess I'm gonna end it. I know it was short and random, like I just said already. But yeah, we're gonna go eat and probably go to sleep, and I will see you guys.
I'm going to sleep.
Next video is gonna be the wide body WRX video, so be looking out for that. So yeah, see you guys next time.